everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today we are back with another CarX Street game and we are learning how to change controller type in CarX Street. Now in CarX Street there are different control types you can use and choose the best you'd like. So here's how you do it. First of all, open up the CarX Street game and make sure that you're logged in. From the main homepage of CarX Street, go ahead and look for the settings menu. If you're already inside the free play mode, then go to the top left and tap on the pause button, and from the expanded menu select settings. Inside the settings menu, go ahead and look for the controls button at the top of the screen, and under control type you'll see different control options you can choose from. You can choose between wheel, buttons, accelerometer and controller. Choose any one control type you'd like to change to. I'm just going to select the wheel option. Once you do that, you can head back to the game again and you'll be able to see that you have successfully changed your controller type on CarX Street. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.